आज जहाँ पे हम सब इस पेंडेमिक में, इस कोविड-19 में, सारा देश, सारा ग्लोबली, we are just fighting the battle and we are all together. So let's see in a positive way what this pandemic has taught us. What are the 11 main gifts this pandemic has given to the mankind? First gift this pandemic has given is the gift of life. When we are alive, we feel so precious. We feel we are thankful to the God that we are alive. And second gift is the gift of gratitude. We have to count our blessings, not the sorrows. We are alive, our loved ones are alive. This is the gratitude to the God. There are so many things in day-to-day life which we have to be thankful for in this pandemic. When we are all family members, we are together. So we often forget to do the gratitudes, which is very important. Guys, be grateful to the God. This is the gratitude, the power of the gratitude which keeps us going. And the third gift this pandemic has brought into our life is the unity consciousness. We all, the scientists, the doctors, everybody is together. We are not judgmental to anybody. We are just finding the ways to combat this battle. Next is the gift of cleanliness. I remember when my grandmother used to tell me that wash your hands or your feet before jumping to the bed. We often used to laugh, but I have understood the meaning of this cleanliness. The whole world has shaken up, to the level that everybody is doing namaste instead of handshaking. And what is the importance of cleanliness? We are spending time on cleanliness. Then next is the gift of time. Everybody is working from home. Everybody has time for the family. And if we utilize this time properly, if we manage this time, we can learn many things and we can really work wonders. We have time for our families, we have time for our kids. Just we have to manage this time well. And next gift, what this pandemic has given us is the gift of home cooked food. Guys, we really have realized what is the value of this home cooked food. You remember why the food cooked by our mother or our grandparents, Dadi, Nani, is very tasty. Why? Because there is only one great emotion which is filled in that is the love. The food, we give it to our deities, to our God first before we eat. So that's why it was mixed with the emotion of love. So we have really understood the value of home cooked food, why it is important. Our children has to learn this lesson. The value of home cooked food, good fruits, and what is the value of immunity in our life. Everyone is talking about immunity. This immunity is very, very important for our health. So we have really understood the value of health in our life. The next gift this has given to mankind is online connection. See guys, we are all together just in seconds. This is the gift to the mankind. The Zoom meetings, everything is we are doing working from home. So this is the online connections that we are together with our family, with our loved ones, and with everyone around in the world. Globally, we are together. So this is a gift to us, to our lives. Next gift is the gift of new skills. Everyone is learning new skills. Somebody is learning video making, photography, funnel making, digital coaching. All are busy in learning new skills online. So that is the gift to us, that we are just learning the new skills in this pandemic. Next gift this coronavirus has given us is the hobbies. Guys, we have time for our hobbies. Somebody wants to connect with the music, somebody wants to connect with the photography, with gardening, anything that just keeps you busy, and your body, mind and spirit just soothes with that. So that's a gift to the mankind, and we are learning, we are spending time on the new hobbies. Somebody once said, if you want to be happy your entire life, just plant your own garden, just spend time with the nature, just be positive. And this music has a great healing power. So if we spend time with whatever the hobby we like, I think there is no better gift to us from the God. And next gift this pandemic has given us is the gift of spiritual life. That is the gift number 11. We are all spiritually connected, guys. When we do meditation, we do yoga, we do prayers, This raises our frequency, this raises our vibration. Remember, we are not humans on this, we are not spiritual humans on this journey, on the spiritual journey, but we are spiritual beings on this earthly journey. And when we read any holy book, Gita, Bible, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, there are so many teachings in that. Mahabharat, from Ramayana, there are so many lessons to learn. There are so powerful stories for our children. We can teach them. We can, all these holy books gives us some message. And this is a time to unite together. And life is very fragile. We don't know when what will happen, and I don't know when this pandemic will end. But we have to learn from this. This is a real slap to the mankind. The nature has taught us the values, the importance of health, the importance of our existence on this earth. So after this pandemic, the new chapter, the new era will start, जिसको हम सतयुग बोलते हैं, जो पहले टाइम में होता था. तो इस सतयुग का एक नया शुरुआत होगा इस पेंडेमिक के बाद. एंड वी हैव टू एंगेज आवरसेल्फ, वी हैव टू टीच आवर चिल्ड्रन द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ, द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग स्पिरिचुअल, and the importance of relationships in our life. So these are the real gifts this pandemic has given to the mankind, and we have to understand, we have to become compassionate, we have to do service above self in whichever way we can. We have to help the people suffering so much. We have to be compassionate, we have to be loving, we have to be kind to this mankind. See, people are doing so much for the humanity. This Khalsa Aid, so many other people in the world globally, they are united together. They are just helping the mankind. Everyone is waiting for this pandemic to be over. So think, guys, these are the gifts, so many gifts this our the Supreme God has given us, and we have to be grateful, we have to be thankful to the God that we are alive on this earth, and whatever the life we are granted on this our spiritual journey on this earth, we have to use it, we have to make the best use of it. Thank you, guys, thank you for listening.